Multi-card game time! Let's go! Welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. Welcome back to a new video. Yes people, it's time for a multi-game card review. And what do we have here? This is a really old classic Game Boy multi-game card. So, what do we have here? This is what we call the Boy 32-in-1 with select screen. I think the reason why they are putting this because it wasn't maybe a big thing back at the time. I can still remember my sister got a multi-game card that you needed reset it every time. So you press the yellow rubbery button and go to the next game. Really horrible. So yeah, this one doesn't have a screw, so we're going to do a little peek inside this time. Alright, this is what we're going to get. I'm going to do a little bit of a zooming in. I am not a big technical guy, so I have really no clue what kind of chip it is. I see something ICT and then 9131, so maybe a little bit of googling so you know what kind of chip it is. But yeah, big black blob for protecting the information. It seems to be that there is, I think this is normally for adding a new or another chip or extra chip. So I think there's a universal PCB board they are using there over there. Alright, it got some pretty damn basic games if I believe the little label. So let's take it in my Game Boy and let's see what's going to happen. Does it even work? So yeah, this is indeed one of the basic multi-game cards out there. It got a basic main menu. Alright, how can I go to the next screen? Can I use select? Yeah. And yo, there are some basic games on them, nothing very special. Mario Land. Oh, this is really awesome. Got the 30p. This is what I really love about it. Okay, you have repeating games, and we got these short kind, let's say it, cheating games. So you get infinite lives or a crazy amount of lives. So that's what I really can appreciate about these games. It's just actually the original game, but they hacked it, so you have more than one game. So let's say just it's in cheat mode. So yeah, that is really awesome. Let's reset it again. Yeah, the games are really basic. Let's flipple. The funny thing is, I'm looking at this, the layout and the game list exactly the same like my favorite 55th one. Yeah, of course there are a little bit different games on it, but Ninja Ryuken. What is this? Oh, it's not a turtle game. I was expecting a turtle game or so. So they're not ripping off other games with new names or that kind of stuff. Is it not, if I'm correct, Ninja Gaiden? Nice. I must confess, I never played this one before. Never. Really awesome. So, seeing this game makes this card really decent. Back at the time we were happy as children if we have a card like this. Got actually, yeah, let's say not 55 games, but got around quite some good games, and the cheating option is really awesome. So yeah, what can I say about it? Yeah, it's really basic. It's a nice collectible. So yeah, multi-card collector. Really thanks for giving opportunity for making this. I will leave a link in the description of the Instagram because she also makes, and yeah, it's a she. She also makes a pretty picture and sent on Instagram of the multi-cards. So yeah, people, again, thanks for watching, and I hope you really enjoyed this video. I love making these, and see you next time. Bye bye. Hi fellow YouTubers, I want to thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Yes, and you also can follow me on Facebook, Twitter, yeah, I don't give a shit about Twitter. But Instagram, I make pretty picture and I send on Instagram. So yeah, follow me.